Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you want to create QR code of your LinkedIn account, YouTube channel or personal website. So using this video, you can create any types of QR code very easily. How to do it? Let's see. So first of all, you just simply open here Google and type here QR code creator. I already added this platform link in video description, so you should come to the here directly. This link is available here. I already sign up this account, and afterwards here bunch of other information is available. QR type, which types of QR code you want create, like a website, V code, email or text, or you should select here latest QR code option is available here, and here create a QR code. I just simply tap here right hand side website, and here left hand side example is showing V card, email, menu, PDF, text, coupon, receive, phone numbers. You should create your mobile number QR code as well. SMS, which types of SMS you want, put it in this particular QR code. Location and LinkedIn QR code also available here. Which types of QR code you want create. If I click here in social media, so many different options is available as a color perspective. So which color you like, I just simply say here this is the blue color. I okay with that, and next thing, upload the image. If you want to upload some image or logo, so you should upload here. As a demo point of view, I just simply upload here my personal photo like this, save here. So this is the uploaded photo, and next thing you need to welcome screen you want create here, or you want preview. So this is the welcome screen we need to receive here. Afterwards we can next, I just simply next, and here QR code name. So I just simply type here my QR code name is Research Rocks, and social media. So here is my social media link, or you can select here which types of social media link you want create. So yes, just simply say here YouTube. The URL you need to put it URL, and text Research Rocks. So the text in URL is coming here right hand side. Tell me about your account related information. Rest of things I just simply skip it. No need to do other process. I just simply say Research Rocks and link. Next, here is my QR code is created, but afterwards you can see here scan me, which QR code you like accordingly say. Multiple templates is available here. Here is my favorite one, JPG, SVG, EPS, which format you want. Like I just simply say PNG. Download this QR code, and the QR code is downloaded here. I just simply say demo. This is the demo QR code I'm mentioning here, and now I just simply access this QR code using QR general application in laptop screen. You should apply the same screen in mobile as well. I just simply drag and drop here, and look at this here. This is the QR code link is showing. If I click here, so directly on my YouTube channel is open, this QR code information, and this is the profile picture. If I click here, so my channel is open. Using this process, you should very easily create any types of QR code, any website, any social media account, absolutely free, and you design your favorite QR code. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.